Hi there, welcome to Preston Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi A3 Cabriolet finished in the brilliant black solid paint. This car comes with the S-Line sports package, the storage package and the interior lighting package. Moving closer to the car, you can see it has the LED headlights and daytime running lights, and these are the 18-inch alloy wheels in the 5 parallel spoke design. As we move closer to the car, you can see there is the S-Line badging on the front wings of the car. The seats are fitted in the upholstery and have the S embossed logo on them. Moving to the dash, you have your cockpit here where you can change your way through the functions to suit your screen. And you also have your screen there where you can use your MMI infotainment system, navigation system, Audi Connect and Audi smartphone interface. This car also comes with the dual zone electronic climate control, and you also have rear parking sensors, Audi Presense, Audi Drive Select, cruise control and the Audi sound system. As we move into the boot of this car has 320 litres of space in it. The seats in the back of this car are also fitted in the same upholstery, and you have all of your Isofix child seat mounting points in it. For more information, please give us a call on 01772 730000. Thank you for watching.